Hello. In this video, I'll walk you through setting up a pure trunk connection between the FIBERME FXO gateway and the FIBERME FCM630A PBX. In this example, the FXO gateway's IP address is 192.168.1.1, and the FCM630A PBX's IP address is 192.168.1.2. To access the FXO gateway, open a web browser and enter its IP address, 192.168.1.1. If you haven't changed the default login credentials, you can sign in using admin as both the username and password. Once logged in, go to the VoIP menu, then select SIP to start the configuration. Since both devices are on the same network, we recommend setting up a pure trunk. Begin by selecting the network interface under the SIP address section. Please be sure that you select the interface with IP address 192.168.1.1. In the registrar IP address field, enter the PBX IP address 192.168.1.2, and for the registrar port, type 5060. Now, click on the Save button to save your trunk configuration. Next, open the PBX GUI. Log in with admin as the username, and use the password for the PBX. If the default admin password hasn't been changed, you can find it on the sticker at the back of the PBX. Once logged in, go to the Extensions and Trunks menu, then select VoIP Trunks to start configuring the trunk. Click on Add New SIP Trunk to create a new SIP trunk. In the Provider Name field, enter a name for the trunk, and in the Host Name field, enter the IP address of the FXO gateway, 192.168.1.1. Click Save to store the settings. After saving, click the Edit icon next to the trunk line and then select Advanced Settings. Scroll down and check the heartbeat detection box to enable it. Click Save again to confirm the settings. To apply all changes, click on Apply Changes to activate the trunk. To verify the trunk status, go to System Status and select Dashboard. Under the Trunk section, check that the trunk status shows as reachable, indicated by a blue icon. Your trunk is now successfully created and active. Stay tuned for more videos that explore additional features. Thank you for choosing FIBERME products, and thank you for watching. To learn more about FIBERME's full range of products and innovative solutions, please visit our website at www.fiberme.com, where you'll find detailed product information, support resources, and the latest updates on new releases. Goodbye.